Alright, good morning YouTube. Welcome back to another video. I'm currently recovering from being sick. I'd try to come out here and make a quick video. Yeah, I thought I'd come out here and try to make a quick video before I go into work. Trying to push through, bring y'all some content. I'm testing out the chin mount right now. I think I actually like it better. It's a nice angle. But yeah, this is also my exercise. But yeah guys, I was just coming out here, make a quick video showing you guys the chin mount when it works properly. The other video I posted was the top of the helmet cam mount. So but the chin mount I feel like gives a more of a point of view angle. So yeah, my bike is still dirty from the ride like 2 weekends ago. Went through a big old mud hole thinking this was some type of dirt bike. Yeah guys, I haven't rode in about a week. I've been sick. I don't really know what kind of sickness I had. I just know it was pretty bad. I couldn't really get out of bed or nothing. Probably just a cold. But then it progressed to something else, like my upper abdomen and my lower back's been hurting. Don't really know what it is. I haven't really went to the doctor for it or anything. I just kind of like self-diagnosed myself and been trying to treat it like that. Soon I can give you guys a proper review of the Saw Meta HT. I mean, I could right now, but today's gonna be a really short video. Kind of like tired already. Don't want to do that much talking while I'm riding. I'm just trying to get back in the groove of things right now. Recovering from being sick. This is a nice little day outside today. I thought I'd bring a little video for you. I usually do a lot more riding than this, but like I said, I'm on a time limit today. I actually got to go back to work today, so I don't have all day to ride. But Sunday I should be bringing you guys another video, hopefully if the weather goes right. I should be going to some trails. I just don't know exactly where yet, but you guys would like that content. It'd be a lot longer, a lot more entertaining, especially if my friends are there. So you guys can look forward to that. I bet it looks so awkward riding around with a full dirt bike helmet on the sidewalk. But that's the only way I can get my mount on right now. I'm about to order some more mounts to where I got this mount kit on Amazon. It comes with a chest mount, so I'm thinking about starting to wear that. It'd be more comfortable, a better angle and everything. Yeah guys, this is a little taste of what street riding is like. I'm sure you could imagine what it was like, but if you didn't, this is basically what it is. Now normally, I'm jumping curves and stuff, but like I said, today I'm taking it pretty easy. Yeah guys, it's pretty much going to end this video. Just bringing y'all some content, because I know I promised you guys the world. But yeah, expect more videos like this. Pretty much ends this video off. Till next time, peace.